Howdy friends! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Meow. And yes, I am dressed up in my Christmas best. Dressed up as Santa Claus today because it is the month of December. And I want to show you exciting toys that I've got in the mail. I got this box from Amazon and it's a special surprise because today is Toy Time. And look, today on Toy Time, first I want to show you this Minnie Mouse fan. Look, watch. Ready? Wow! You see the fan is red, like my jacket, and it's pink on the handle with Minnie Mouse on it. Let's see what else it says. Busy little helper. Are you a busy little helper? So we have this fan, so nice. Let's do a little unboxing. Are you ready? Look! Bubbles! Bubbles! Okay, that was just the packaging. Okay, first off, look at it. It's a fashion fidgets. Oh, wow! Let's see. Fashion dolls to fidget with. Look, fashion fidgets. There's 18 to collect. It says click, spin, pop, turn. You see the... Wow, let's open it, friends. Okay, be careful. Gonna use some scissors. Got my purple scissors. Yes. I'm so excited for new toys. Wow. Fashion fidgets. Okay. Oh, wow. Opening it. Oh, it comes in pink bubble wrap. Wow. Look at her. Can you see her? Wow. Look, you can pop it. Look, she got little fidgets. You can pop it. She's got a keychain too. She can spin. She's a fidget spinner. Let's see what the instructions say. Ooh, who did we get? Let's see. We got Dressy Demi. Yes, because her cheeks have yellow hearts and her shirt has, it's a purple shirt with a blue heart. So you can see she spins and then you can pop the little bubbles, look, on her skirt, look. So that's our first toy. Okay friends, as you can see, you can get 18 fashion fidgets. You can get Funky Frankie, Sassy Sadie, Street Style Sally, Posh Pia, Fancy Nancy, Cutie Cara, Classy Chloe, Styling Susie, So Chic Cindy, also Brilliant Bree, Fashionista Frankie, Dapper Dale, Colorful Clara, Dressy Demi, that's who we got. Glam Gina, OOTD Ollie, Trendy Tina, and Edgy Emma. And as you can see, we got Dressy Demi. You see, this is how she spins. Look, look, it spins, and then you can pop the bubbles as well. And she's a keychain. She's got blue little pom-poms that you can also spin in her hair. But yeah, look. She's got yellow heart cheeks and then a little purple top with a blue heart. We have another toy, friends. It's... Get ready for this. It's a big one. It's a big toy. Can you tell? Oh my god. OMG. It's an LOL surprise. OMG fierce. Look, friends. Wow, look at her. There she is. You can see her up close. She's got a microphone and a pink boa, and then she's got a belt that says Diva on it. You can see it's D-I-V-A. Then she's got tall pink boots. As you can see there, it says Lady Diva. And look, that's what she looks like. The back of the packaging. See, it says Fierce. Fearless, fashion, fierce. You could also get Royal Bee, Neonlicious, and Swag. We got a Fashion Fidget, and we got a LOL OMG Fierce doll. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching Toy Time, and remember, learning rocks.